Hi, I'm Nancy Schick, attorney, mediator, and conflict resolution coach in New York City. My goal is to keep you out of court and build your conflict resolution skills. So I obviously talk a lot about conflict. And one of the conflicts that a lot of people are feeling this week is the loss of Ruth Bader Ginsburg and how that's going to affect the US Supreme Court. And I get it. I miss her already. I didn't know her, but she was someone I admired. But I also have been drawing from another Supreme Court justice that I admire, which was our first female, Sandra Day O'Connor. And if you're not familiar, when she retired, she went back and she realized that we needed civics in our schools. So basically what I'm going to do is give you a little civics lesson today, hopefully to put your mind at ease about some of the upset that we're anticipating with the US Supreme Court. Because I get it, people don't always know how this works and they're afraid, and the media is kind of playing some of that up. So hopefully this will help. The first thing you need to know is that the Supreme Court is full of justices who are basically attorneys who have achieved the highest possible level that they can in the profession. We are a licensed profession with ethical rules, and we are required to apply our knowledge the way that we were taught. So when we're doing cases, I've never been a judge, but basically the judges and justices are applying the law to very narrow facts and circumstances, especially by the time they get to the US Supreme Court. So there's some reassurance that the justices that get appointed, regardless of what their political leanings are still going to apply the law, and they're going to apply their training. So you can rest assured that they're not going to just flip law because of a political reasoning. Second, cases don't get to the Supreme Court very easily. They start at a trial level and they work their way up through a series of appeals. So it's not like, again, we're just going to see a flip of, one of the cases that people are concerned about is Roe versus Wade. We're not going to see a new justice come on and then suddenly they're just going to change it. That's what the legislature does. They can change law, but the Supreme Court doesn't do that. They work with cases, actual cases and facts and circumstances. And third, this is the one you have the most control over, right? There are still many opportunities for you to improve your own circumstances, regardless of what's going on the Supreme Court or in the government. So I get it. I get the fear. We have a lot of fear. And again, the media and all of social media and everything else is playing into this during a pandemic. So free those emotions, but don't get stuck in them. And if you need help getting through it, reach out for coaching.